Hey guys, back again. Um, just wanted to do a little video today. Something I saw at this place, Dunkin, or we used to call Dunkin' Donuts. Of course, I had a donut, but I saw this one. Don't know if it's new or not, but I mean, whatever I'm talking about. If it's new and I just didn't know it, but it's new to me. What it is, it looks like some kind of donut that has a munchkin in the middle. So I guess it's a munchkin donut with some kind of purple and pink glaze or something. Here. Uh, so give it a shot. And of course, I got my Dunkin' coffee. There's my coffee. I usually get the flavored stuff, but like I've been backing off on that because that stuff's artificial. And no offense to Dunkin', whatever, because they got good coffee and good flavors and everything. I mean, stuff's good, but to me, it's just backing off on artificial stuff. And you got to watch what's in some ingredients because they're not the greatest for you. But of course, sometimes is okay. But you can't just don't make it a habit out of it. Anyway, so I'm gonna go in to this donut. I guess it's some kind of maybe strawberry glaze with, I don't know what the purple is. Maybe it's just a regular, I don't know, maybe a regular coloring, design stuff. I don't know, like cake stuff, cake topping stuff, design. Are you supposed to save the Munchkin for last? That's what I'm thinking, so that's what I'm doing. We'll see. Of course, I bit into it anyway. It's a good donut. Munchkins, I guess, it's a white powdered Munchkin, I guess it is. Which is good, always. Not bad. It's not something I would do every day. If I knew sugar wasn't bad and coloring and different stuff, that ingredients, if I knew it wasn't bad, well, I wouldn't say every day, but you know, taste buds can surely enjoy something sweet. And it's a mess. That's that. I gotta get all these crumbs off me. Just got my new truck, and I don't want to get it all messed up. Stuff all over inside of it and everything. So, sip my coffee real quick. A good chaser for that donut. And what are my thoughts on I should have looked it up, the name of the donut. I guess it's like a Munchkin donut or something like that. Probably a strawberry glazed Munchkin powdered donut. The Munchkin's powdered, just not the donut part. Only the Munchkin. So maybe it's a powdered Munchkin strawberry glazed donut with purple design, I don't know what you call it. So maybe for the title of this video, maybe I'll just name it a powdered Munchkin strawberry glazed donut. There, I'll do that. It works. Good stuff, guys. It was good. Like I said, it's not something I would do every day. It wasn't the greatest because I'm one of those people that, like, when I eat cake, I don't like a lot of icing. I just don't. I'm not big on lots of icing, just a little bit. My favorite kind of cake is ice cream cake because ice cream cake I don't think there's too much icing on it. But I mean, I like some cake, depends. But so with that said, it was a really good donut. It really was. And if I were to give it a between 1 and 5 stars, 1 being the worst, 5 being the greatest, I'll give it a 4. Maybe 3.5, but I'll give it a 4 because it was good. It's a nice idea with the Munchkin in the middle, but I don't know. Like I said, maybe it's me. You know, maybe it's because of my taste buds, but also most importantly, I'm backing off on some sweets. Sometimes I'll have them. Like, you know, sometimes when you do workouts, you have a cheat meal or something like that, or throwing a sweet every once in a while kind of thing. That's what I'm doing because I'm getting back in shape. That's my mission. That's my goal, among other goals that are in the future waiting potentially for me. So, with that said, guys, let me know if you guys tried that donut too. Is it a different name? What do you think it's called, or what do you know it's called? Drop it in the comments area. Let me know. Is there an exact title for it? Is there a name for the donut? But for my title, I'll just name it that. A powdered Munchkin strawberry glazed donut. That's what I'll name it, among the other info I need to put in my title and description and whatever else. So, I hope you guys like it. If you do, in the comments area, also leave what would you rate it between 1 and 5? 5 being the greatest and 1 being the worst. Like, what would you rate it? How many stars? And what do you think about it? Would you get it again? I don't know if it's a limited time donut. Probably is. And till next time, guys, please like this video, share this video. Like I said, drop your comments with your feedback. How many stars, 1 to 5? And ultimately, please subscribe and help grow the channel. Thank you, guys. Till next time, you know what to do. Like, share, comment, ultimately subscribe, and please help get the word out there, help grow the channel, and I will do the same. Let me know in the comments area if you're trying to grow your channel too, and I'll do the same. So, thank you, guys. You know, happy nice days coming. You know, the weather is breaking. You know, everything's getting nice. Just after the springtime break, I guess, right? So, the weather, that is. So, yeah. See you guys soon, and have a rockin' day. See ya.